Did you know there was research done at HubSpot and they found that LinkedIn is 277% more effective at generating leads than Twitter and Facebook? Hi everyone, Stuart here. Today I want to share how you can generate leads using LinkedIn for your small business. Now I'm just going to cover 2 easy to follow techniques that anyone can do. Before we begin, let me know in the comments down below if you've ever used LinkedIn to generate leads for your small business before. Now if you're interested in sales, marketing and digital solutions for small business, make sure you smash the subscription button, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Alright, with that being said guys, let's dive into LinkedIn. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is you want to set up your profile so it looks professional, sharp and presentable. Basically you want to tidy up your profile. You also want to make sure that you have a complete page. All the sections have been filled out. This is so that you have an attractive page profile that has all the information for potential clients or customers to feel like you or your business is creditable and attractive, giving people more of a reason to reach out to you and your business. So make sure your profile is clean, tidy and detailed. You also want to change your URL on your LinkedIn page to make it a lot more professional. Now with all this relevant information on your page, make sure your introduction is sound, because this is the first section people are going to see as soon as they land on your profile. Now once you've created an attractive and professional LinkedIn page or profile, the second step is the driving force behind generating leads on LinkedIn, and this is producing content, and more specifically video-based content. This is how potential clients find your profile on LinkedIn, by producing your own content, video, text and audio content, and using hashtags of keywords that are relevant to your business. People will be searching on LinkedIn and these individuals will find your content, relevant content to them, and by producing valuable content that is enjoyable and educational, these people will reach out to you because of the content that you provide. Think about it. If you're producing content that solves problems for the viewer or gives advice or free value, then this is going to build credibility, and if they require your products or services down the line, then they will most likely reach out to you because they saw your relevant content, your value that you provided. Now, video content is by far the most effective content. A while back, LinkedIn announced that you can post videos on your feed. Now, LinkedIn is also optimizing video reach over other media types. Now, to increase content exposure and potential leads, you also want to ask questions to increase that engagement with each of your content that you post. And you also want to ask your network to share your content, which is going to help your content reach more networks and potential leads. It's important to also be consistent with publishing your content. You want to continue to produce this content because over time you're going to have more exposure, and as you get more exposure for your videos, your content, then people are going to start reaching out to you, you're going to become an authority, and this is what's going to generate leads. And there you have it, you now know how to generate leads using LinkedIn for your small business. Now follow those 2 steps. The first one, create a professional and beautiful, attractive profile page, and the second is to produce content. Consistently produce audio, text and video content. In particular, video, because that's what LinkedIn is optimizing for max reach at the moment. So make sure you produce video content and any types of content, share it with your friends, engage, and make sure you start doing that on a regular basis. And that's going to help you generate those free leads. Alright, thank you very much for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, you enjoyed this content, then please leave a like, smash the subscription button so you don't miss any more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.